Confusion prevails amongst the members of the West Khasi Hills Regional Committees on Boundary Dispute and the state government as far as Assam and Meghalaya second phase talks are concerned, hinting towards lack of coordination and communication between the two. The state government is awaiting submission of reports by the regional committees, which will lapse on the 30th of September 2024. Speaking to the media, HSPDP Chief KP Panyang, who is a member of the West Khasi Hills Regional Committee, today said that the report is not ready and they are waiting for the talks to resume to begin the process.
We know that each district, those who have disputed sector, the government has already notified the numbers, the members of each regional committees. So hopefully, and we believe that since the party has personally met the Chief Minister, it is 3 weeks back, we went and meet personally. He has promised that after the winter, the autumn session is over, then they will start the talk. They will resume the talk. So I hope that they will do the needful. And if the talk will not resume in these coming days, then again the party will go and remind the government.
A consultative meeting was held yesterday